we can look at our gas pressure. On here we can see our commission value, and this is the upper limit and the lower limit. By pressing the history button, I can then look at the last 24 hours of information on both the commissioned and the actual. And if I want to look at a specific point in time, I can zoom in. So right here is my commission value, and underneath is my actual gas pressure. So if ever I get a problem with my regulator, it's very easy for me to see here that my regulator is either hanging up or we're getting a droop in the regulator. Right here we're looking pretty good. We're actually very close, almost within 1 inch of our commission value.